Welcome to Bolt360, the future of seamless parking. Say goodbye to paper tickets and long wait times. With a quick scan, parking has never been easier. Arriving at a Bolt360-enabled lot is simple. Drive up to the gate and look for the QR code sign. When you scan the QR code, a text message will appear on your screen. Press send and the gate will open. Within seconds, you'll receive a confirmation text from ProPark with a link to view your session details. Park with confidence, knowing your session is active. No tickets, no hassle. For a faster exit, store your payment information now. Enter your email and choose from credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Amazon Pay, securely stored for this session only. When it's time to leave, pull up to the gate and scan the QR code at the exit. The text message will appear again. When you press send, your payment is processed automatically, the gate opens, and you're good to go. With Bolt360, there's no waiting, no searching, just a smooth, touchless experience. It's time to revolutionize parking. Ready to upgrade your operations with Bolt360? Visit us online to learn more.